Namaskar, Jai Jagannath. Very good morning to all my dear friends. The most important thing in our life, and we fear about that, speaking English. It is difficult to those who are belonging to non-speaking English state or background, like educational institution in English medium or non-English medium school students. So it is not that much of difficult what you think. It will become easier if you make it easier. So there are some basics rules of speaking English. So speak English with me. I will make it more easier for you. So the basics rules, the ground rules are like uh, first you listen. How you listen to others. The rules are relating to only yourself. It surrounds you. So the rules like हमारे अंदर जो है this becomes आवाज़. It will be easier if you are speaking in dual language, like three language formula in the state. So language one is the international language English, state language or regional language, then Hindi. So it is really important to know the basics rules, fundamentals rules. The rule number one, which is really important to know these things. The rule number one is surrounding how much time we devoted to communicate in English. It is easier to speak our mother tongue, like it be Odia, it's my mother tongue, be it be Hindi, someone's mother tongue, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, any other mother tongues. Because in our daily life, daily activities, we speak in our mother tongue. Daily activities, we enriched with the vocabulary, with the word, with the sentence, conjunction, every aspects of our mother tongue. But why it become difficult for English? Because rarely we use the English language, the English alphabet. So the literature, the vocabulary is weaker when it comparison to our mother tongue and English. So first of all, try to speak more in English, be it your friends, colleagues, teachers, whoever there surrounds you. When you start speaking in English, it will be enrich your vocabulary, your confidence. When it will be wrong, like you speak some sentences wrong, so it will be not getting irritated. So rule number one, speak English daily, read newspapers, magazines, and try to chat in English when you are talking with your friends, like using WhatsApp, Facebook, any social media, or simple bit text. Just do it in English. So speaking English is the most important thing. Know the grammar is the most important thing. Grammar, it is not exactly to going to the deeper, but the most four formula is that, like the tense related to English or any languages, the alphabets, the literatures, the articles, the preposition, the conjunction, and sentence making formation, like how much you solve the error, trial and error, then it will be easier to learn the language easily. So it is become more interesting when you develop interest within yourself to learn one language. It will be easy. Then formula 3, when daily you are practicing reading a newspaper like Odia or any regional language newspaper, try to convert it to English. Be very simple. Like in Odisha, it is Odisha Post. It's a very simplest word they are using. Their literature is very enriched, so it will be easier for you to learn English very easily. So be it be any newspaper like Hindu, Indian Express, any newspaper, Economics Times, Times of India. So like it will enhance your vocabulary, it will develop yourself, you will rock that. So try to read a newspaper, literature, magazines. It will become easier, strengthen your vocabulary, and you will be one of the best speaker. So listening and speaking, it is really important. Both are important. It is not important you will only speak and do not listen to others. When you listen, you can also understand and correlate those things. Using mobile phones, chatting with friends, testing them, or anything else, just do it in English. Try to practice it in daily language, daily lives. When you practice it in daily life, it will become your habit. When it become your habit, it will become your passion. When it become your passion, it will be more easier for you to, you will pursue it in very easiest way. So speaking language, any language, be it English or any other language, it is not so much difficult how much you think of, but really it is little bit difficult, but when you practice it will become easier. When you going through a proper path, proper way, it will be very interesting to learn any languages. We will coming with the most important questions, how you can learn English very fluently. And I hope you understand all these things. You, it will be really helpful.